For this video, we will discuss factoring polynomials completely. If we say completely, we will apply all the factoring methods we learned from our past lessons. First problem is x to the fourth minus 8x squared minus 9. If we will notice, x to the fourth is a squared number, 9 is also a squared number. Based on our pattern, we have x squared minus y squared equals quantity x plus y and quantity x minus y. Let us try if these are the factors. X squared, square root of x to the fourth is x squared, square root of 9 is 3, x squared minus 3. Let us see if the product of the inner terms and the outer terms will become 8 or negative 8x squared. 3 times x squared equals 3x squared. X squared times negative 3 is negative 3x squared. Positive and negative conjugates, meaning we have 0x squared. It's not negative 8x squared. Therefore, this factor or factors are not correct. By general factoring, we will do this by trial and error. The factors of x to the fourth is x squared and x squared. Our last term is negative according to the rule. The signs of the second term will be positive and negative. Just because 3 and 3 is not possible, the other factors of 9, aside from 3 and 3 that we use in our past solution, we try with 1 and 9. 1 times x squared is x squared. X squared times negative 9 is negative 9x squared. You have an imaginary one there. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 is higher, 9 is negative, so negative 8x squared. And our middle term is negative 8x squared, meaning this combination of factors are already correct. Now, let us analyze the two factors. X squared plus 1 is already a prime factor. If you say prime factor, not factorable. But x squared minus 9 is a difference of 2 squares. So we can still factor them. X squared plus 1. The factors of x squared minus 9 is x plus 3 and x minus 3. And these are now the complete factors of the given polynomial above. Number 2, factor the polynomial x to the fourth minus x cubed minus 6x squared completely. Again, apply all the factoring methods we learned. We notice that x squared is common, so we factor this with common monomial factor. X to the fourth divided by x squared is x squared. 4 minus 2 is 2. X cubed divided by x squared is minus x. Cancel x squared, remain is 6. Next, continue. Just because this is trinomial, we will apply the trial and error method. The factors of x squared is x and x. Since it is negative, we have plus and minus or minus and plus. Then ask ourselves, what are the factors of 6 if subtracted equals 1? Or, try muna natin ang 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Then let us check. 2 times x, 2x. X times negative 3, negative 3x. 3 minus 2 is x, negative is 3, negative x. And that is now the middle term. Meaning, this combination is correct. Therefore, the factors now of the given polynomial above in number 2 are x squared, quantity x plus 2, and quantity x minus 3. Number 3, factor x to the fourth minus x cubed plus x minus 1 completely. Since they are 4 terms, we will apply what we learned in factoring by grouping. Since the third term is already positive, we can now regroup them. First and second term is the first group. The third and fourth term is the second group. What is common to x to the fourth and x cubed is x cubed. X to the fourth divided by x cubed is x. X cubed divided by x cubed is minus 1. Plus, no common on x minus 1, so just copy x minus 1. Again, we know that there is an imaginary 1 outside. Again, we notice that x minus 1 is common, so therefore, x minus 1 will represent the first factor. If we will remove x minus 1 there, remain is x cubed plus 1. X minus 1 is a prime factor already. X cubed plus 1 is what? Difference of 2 cubes. Or sum of 2 cubes. So we have x cubed plus y cubed equals x plus y x squared minus xy plus y squared. So that is our pattern. Okay. So x minus 1 is here. Copy. The first binomial factor is the cube root of x cubed equals x plus cube root of 1 equals 1. So plus 1. So our x is x, our y equals 1. Continue the pattern. X squared minus x times y. 1 times x is x. 1 times 1 is 1. These are now the complete factors of x to the fourth minus x cubed plus x minus 1. Proceed to number 4 problem. Factor x to the fifth minus 10x to the fourth minus x plus 10 completely. Since the third term is minus, we will rewrite the polynomial. X to the fifth minus 10x to the fourth will represent the first group. This minus, get the opposite sign of the third term and the fourth term inside the parentheses. So negative x or minus x will become plus x, plus 10 will become minus 10. Again, what is common to the first group is x to the fourth. X to the fifth divided by x to the fourth is x. Cancel x to the fourth here. So we have minus 10 minus quantity x minus 10. Again, there is an imaginary 1 here. So x minus 10 representing the first factor, just because it is common between the two terms. If you will cancel here, x minus 10 remained as x to the fourth minus 1. X to the 10 is already a prime factor. Then, x to the fourth can be factor again by difference of 2 squares. We have x squared plus 1, x squared minus 1. Again, x minus 10 is prime factor. X squared plus 1 cannot be factor, so just copy. X squared minus 1, again, a difference of 2 squares factorable by x plus 1 and x minus 1. And these are now the factors of the given polynomial. 1, 2, 3, and 4 are the factors of this number 4 polynomial. Number 5, factor the polynomial x to the 5th minus 4x cubed plus x squared minus 4 completely. Since the third term is already plus, so we can now regroup them. The common between x to the 5th and minus 4x cubed is x cubed. X to the 5th divided by x cubed is x squared. X cubed divided by x cubed is cancel minus 4. Plus x squared minus 4. No common between them. Again, remember that there is an imaginary 1 there. So, x squared minus 4 is common. So, x squared minus 4 representing the first factor. If we will remove x squared minus 4 there, we have x cubed plus 1. Okay. X squared minus 4 is difference of 2 squared. X squared minus y squared equals x plus y quantity x minus y. So, therefore, we have x and x plus 2 and x minus 2. And this is difference of 2 cubes. Difference of 2 cubes, sum of 2 cubes is x cubed plus y cubed again is x plus y. The trinomial factor is x squared minus xy plus y squared. So we have cube root of x cubed is x, cube root of 1 is 1. Then x times x, x squared. 1 times x, negative x. 1 times 1 is 1. These are again the factors of the polynomial in this number. Number 6, factor the polynomial 5x to the 4th minus 5x cubed minus 20x squared plus 20x. Since the third term is minus, we will write the polynomial. 5x to the 4th minus 5x cubed will represent the first group, minus, reverse the sign, will become positive 20x squared minus 20x. What is common between the first group is 5x cubed. 5x to the 4th divided by 5x cubed is x. Cancel, cancel, we have minus 1. Minus, common between them is 20x. 20x squared divided by 20x is x. Cancel, we have minus 1. Again, we notice that x minus 1 is common, so x minus 1 represents the first factor. If we will remove x minus 1 here, remain is 5x cubed minus 20x. Again, let us analyze. X minus 1 is not factorable, but 5x cubed and 20x are still factorable. They have common. So just copy x minus 1. Common between them is 5x. 5x cubed divided by 5x is x squared. 20x divided by 5x is minus 4. Again, analyze further. The first two factors are not factorable, but x squared minus 4 again factorable by difference of 2 squares. So, rewrite x minus 1, 5x. The factors of this is, or are, x plus 2 and x minus 2. And these are now the factors of the number 6 polynomial completely. Or in other way, we can also factor completely the following polynomial like this. We notice that 5 is common between the 4 terms, and all of them have the variable x. So therefore, 5x is our common. 5x to the 4th divided by 5x is x cubed. 5x cubed divided by 5x is x squared. 20x squared divided by 5x is minus 4x. 20x divided by 5x is plus 4. Okay. Next, this is 4 terms, so we can still factor them by grouping. So we have x cubed minus x squared minus 4x and will become minus 4. 5x, copy again. Then, what is common between them is x squared. X cubed divided by x squared is x. X squared cancel, minus 1. Minus, what is common here is 4. 4x divided by 4 is x. Cancel negative or 4 is minus 1. Again, we notice that x minus 1 is common, so we have 5x. X minus 1. If we will remove x minus 1 here, remain is x squared minus 4. Again, x squared minus 4 is factorable by difference of two squares, so copy 5x. Copy x minus 1, difference of two squares, x plus 2, and x minus 2. If you will notice, we have different method, but we have the same answer.